If you're looking for a safe and suitable baby bottle for your growing little one, today we recommend the 9-ounce baby bottle from Pappu, specially designed for your child. Made from 100% safe, BPA-free materials to protect your baby from harmful chemicals. Comes in 4 adorable designs for you to choose from. Easy to wash and clean. Specifically designed for little hands, lightweight and easy to hold. Perfect size for growing babies aged 3 to 12 months. 9-ounce capacity is just right for each feeding. Caution: should be washed after each use. Store in a dry place, away from direct sunlight. Do not heat a sealed bottle in the microwave. Keep all unused components out of children's reach. Packed with features that care for every detail to ensure your baby's safety. Order now here. Discover more products here, or through the link below the description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss our new content.